Dandelions are considered weedy pests to many people, but these flowers are actually useful. Not only are they edible and nutritious, but they play important role in ecosystem as well.
Greetings and welcome to Healthy with. So I came to repair my automobile and I just saw this lovely field full of dandelion flowers, and we know that it's springtime and most of us do spring detox or spring cleanse. So I just wanted to show to you what it is like. See this field full of dandelion flowers, and I can pick them up. I want to pick them up because this place, nobody sprays it with pesticides and all those chemicals, and so this is a place that I know I'm getting something quality. So stay tuned and I'll let you know how to pick them up, dry them because there is no sun and I don't want to make them turn into I don't know the name, but it's normally turns this way, this white. Okay, I don't want it to be that, so I will have to dry them in my dryer, then I'll keep it for the rest of the year. Okay guys, yellow.
So as you can see here, little Ajoy is helping me out. And you know what? It's going to take her the whole day if she was supposed to fill this container.
This tank, yeah?
The dandelion flower is the first flower in the spring, at least where I live in northern Italy. The bees are very happy to see them. So that is another wonderful thing about this flower that is considered mainly as a weed. When it comes to the health benefits of the dandelions, it is all about the leaves and the roots, which are for sure healthy. Yes, I know. But the flowers do more than just taste good. They have many nutritional benefits that often are higher than those in the leaves and roots. The flowers have a higher level of polyphenols than the leaves or roots of dandelions. Polyphenols help in the prevention of degenerative diseases such as cardiovascular disease and cancer. Epidemiological studies and associated meta-analyses strongly suggest that long-term consumption of diets rich in plant polyphenols offer protection against development of cancers, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, osteoporosis, and neurodegenerative diseases. Oh, and again, the flowers have higher levels of antioxidants than the leaves or roots of the main plant. So after a quick rinse with cold water, I prep them and place them on my dehydrated tray, switch it on and let it dry till crispy. So these are some more possible dandelion flower health benefits. They relieve pain from headaches, backaches, and menstrual cramps. Trust me, I've been taking this during my cycle and it has been helping me a lot. They also relieve stomach cramps. They relieve depression. So dandelion petals also contains vitamin A and vitamin B12, which are also good for the eyes. In 1956, Chauvin demonstrated the antibacterial effects of dandelion pollen, which may validate the centuries-old use of dandelion flowers in Korean folk medicine to prevent boils, skin infections, tuberculosis, and edema. and also promotes blood circulation. So guys, this is how it looks like at the end of the dehydration. Wherever you are watching me from, let me know in the comment box below if I did a good job. If you are a herbalist or you've ever tried dehydrating dandelion and how did it go, let me know what you use it for too. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.